Hello, my name is Sarah with Golden Sierra Job Training Agency, and I'd like to share some information about our services and some of the resources available to you. Golden Sierra is the America's Job Center of California, or AJCC, for Placer, El Dorado, and Alpine counties. If you are not in one of our counties, don't worry. We are just one part of a nationwide network of job centers ready to help. Just visit careeronestop.org, click on the Find Local Help dropdown, and then enter your zip code to find a center close to you. Golden Sierra offers a range of no-cost employment and training services for employers and job seekers in our region. We are funded by the Department of Labor and tasked with building the workforce through grant programs. We do this through 3 levels of service. Our Level 1, or Basic Career Services, are self-directed and available to anyone. This includes the Career Center, access to local workshops, job openings and hiring events, typing tutorials and proficiency exams, and career assessments. A little bit later, I'll share with you the best way to stay connected and how to sign up for our e-blast. Just recently, we were able to extend the InPerson Hours. Our door is open and no appointment is necessary between 8 a.m. and 4:30 p.m. on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. on Wednesdays. You can stop by the Job Center just off Douglas and North Sunrise in Roseville to use the job search computers, apply for jobs, print resumes, take typing tests, and more. And of course, our services are still available virtually Monday through Friday. In order to qualify for the next 2 levels of Golden Sierra services, you must meet certain eligibility criteria. Your best first step is to complete an interest form, and I will share the link for that at the end of the presentation. As part of our Level 2 services, our Individualized Career Services can help you with career counseling and assessments, resume development, job search assistance, application assistance, and interview preparation. Our Level 3 services, or training services, include our on-the-job training program, which provides a wage reimbursement to employers to help offset the costs associated with training newly hired employees. Employers can receive up to 50% of an employee's gross wages during their training period. Our paid work experience internships allow young adults an opportunity to gain valuable work world exposure from passionate industry leaders. And our vocational and occupational skills training provide a pathway to help you achieve your career goals. Part of those Level 3 services include the opportunity to upgrade your skills and train for a new career. You may even qualify for financial assistance to cover some or all of the costs, and you may be able to keep your unemployment benefits while in the training. We also have specialized programs for out-of-school youth. If you are between the ages of 16 and 24 and not attending school, we would like to help you plan for the future and improve your employability. We can help you get your GED or diploma with career certifications, occupational licenses, and advanced training, or improve job-related skills using that work experience program I mentioned earlier, which allows you the time to learn more about a career while you work and get paid. With our self-directed or basic services, which you don't have to qualify for, we invite you to check out the workshop calendar at goldensierra.com/calendar. We offer live interactive sessions with an employment specialist twice a month to help support those out of work. But if you can't make it to one of our live workshops, just check out our YouTube channel for the recorded ones. Another self-directed service I'd like to share with you is a way to upgrade your job-related skills. Golden Sierra has partnered with Metrics Learning to offer job skills training for employers, employees, and job seekers alike that all want to brush up on those workplace skills. There are over 5,000 courses available to you, all at no cost. You can register for your free account at goldensierra.metricslearning.com. Anyone that enjoys learning will enjoy what Metrics Learning has to offer. To find courses of interest, you can either use the Career Pathways tool or browse the catalog. The Pathway tool shows the skills still needed to succeed in your particular field of interest and provides a list of courses to help get you there. The catalog provides a general search as well as guided lists for skills tracks and industry certification courses. In addition to all of these other services, we offer you priority access to local employers currently hiring through our connection events. These are hosted both in person and virtually throughout the year. You'll have the opportunity to learn more about each company, their culture and benefits, how to apply for open positions, and have a chance to ask them your questions. So now you need to make sure you stay connected with all that Golden Sierra has to offer. Are you interested in those training services from earlier? Your best first step is to complete that interest form at goldensierra.com/jobs/training. And don't forget to sign up for our e-blast. Just enter your information in the blue box that pops up on our website, and you will receive job leads and upcoming events right to your email each week, keeping you ahead of the job search crowd. To see this week's job leads, visit goldensierra.com/local-job-openings. And of course, stay connected by finding us on social media. Look for us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and TikTok. And remember, whether you're looking for your first job, a new job, making a career change, adding a skill, or going back to school, we're here to help.